To use one-handed mode to temporarily scale down the screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable one-handed mode first. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap one-handed mode. Enable this feature by tapping the on off switch until the switch turns blue. If needed, you can select the option to scale down the screen. You can choose to use gesture or button. As the example, we will use gesture. To activate one hand mode by reducing the display size, swipe down your finger in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Now the screen has been reduced to provide you an easier control when you need to navigate your phone with one hand. If needed, you can change the position by tapping the arrow icon next to the screen. You can place the screen in the right or left side of the screen depending on your need. As the example, if you are a left-hand user, it will be easier if you place the screen in the left side of the screen. You can also move the screen by dragging the top of the screen to the top or to the bottom. To exit from the one-hand mode, swipe down your finger in the center of the bottom of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.